Hello, welcome to GTech Skills. In this video, I will explain how to do basic transformation of data while inputting data into Power BI. So this is my source Excel file where I have employee data on sheet 1 and employee department data on sheet 2. So I will be importing this data into Power BI and show how you can do a basic transformation. So, I'm selecting this file to be imported here. I'm selecting both the sheets which needs to be imported into Power BI. So and then there is option of load transform data. This load option will load all the data into Power BI desktop. This transform data you can transform the data. So there is other option where you can transform the data once you import the data into Power BI. So the two data set has been imported here. So there is option here as transform data. If you click this and transform data, so the Power BI Power Query editor will get opened. So this is the place where you can transform your data. So if you see the applied steps, so there are 4 steps. One is source, navigation, promoted address, and change type. So the Power BI has changed the inbuilt data type here. That is, it has changed the employee name to type, employee ID to into 64, etc. So first, let us rename the column names. So if you right click on the columns, you will be able to rename it. So now I'm renaming the employee name to name. So if you see here, one more step get added to the applied steps. That is renamed column. So we are renaming it here. If you want to undo the changes, if you click on this X, that will get removed. So I'm renaming it. Yeah. So the other options that is available are you can remove duplicate columns, you can add columns, remove duplicates, remove errors, replace values, you can split columns by delimiter or by uppercase to lowercase. You can move the column left or right to the beginning or to the end. So in this sheet, if you see it here, there are duplicate records. One is Stewart, another is Drummond. So these two as duplicates. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to remove these duplicates records. So if you select this remove duplicates, you can notice that 2 records has been removed based on the name column. So that's how you remove duplicates from the data set. So if you want to remove a particular row, if you click on this row and then go to this option remove row, so you will have multiple options: remove top row, bottom row, alternate rows, remove duplicates, remove blank rows. So if I give like remove the bottom row, the bottom one, the Watson name will get removed. So I'm selecting the number of rows to be removed here. I'm giving 1 and that's Watson row gets removed. So if you see it here on the applied steps, the values are getting added here. That is table dot remove last n remove duplicates 1. So on top of this remove duplicates, it is applying the removed bottom rows. So it is following this order. If you see the renamed column, it is applying on top of change type, remove duplicates, that is getting applied on renamed columns, and removed bottom rows is getting applied on removed duplicates. So this is how you remove the uh, rows from here. You can also remove columns from here. So if you click on this, if you go to your option, you can remove this column salary. So for now, I am just uh, not removing any columns. I'm just undoing the changes. So this is how you do transform the data. So once you're done with your transformation, you can close and apply these changes. So the values will get updated here. So, so we can update the table name here. So the sheet one is employee, sheet two is department. So now I am trying to import data from employee and department table. So employee name, I'm selecting. Employee ID, I am selecting. Salary, I am selecting. So if you see it here, so in the file we have 12 values. Above here we have only 9 values, because like we have transformed the data and removed duplicates and removed the last row from this Power BI. So this is the basic transformations that you can do it in Power BI desktop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.